Gently tap your middle finger from the inner brows straight up to the hairline. Trace outward along the hairline toward temples. Repeat few times. With your middle fingers, gently tap along the under eye bone. Move from the inner corner out to the outer corner. Repeat a few times, keeping the pressure very light. Bring your fingertips to rest just under the lower eye bone. Using a gentle touch, massage side to side across the tops of your cheekbones. Repeat few times to release tension. Starting at the sides of your nose, press your index and middle fingers. Glide slightly outward instead of one long sweep. Walk in small sections. Lift your fingers, step slightly further out onto the cheekbone. Press and gently glide out to the temples. Place your index and middle fingers at the inner corners of your eyes. Swipe slowly down the sides of your nose bridge, letting your fingers naturally curve outward toward the center of your lower eyebrow. Repeat this flowing motion a few times to encourage circulation. Release tension. Take your middle finger, sweep upward up from the sides of your nostril to the inner corners of your eyes. Repeat this glide 3 to 4 times. Next, we are going to use a slow press and release technique. Press gently, then release, stepping outward from this under eye bone straight to your temples. Do this a few times on each side, keeping your breathing slow and steady. Place two fingers right at the top of your nose bridge. Gently separate them, gliding one up to the start of your eyebrow, sweeping the other down the sides of your nose toward your smile lines. Keep this rhythm going for a few repetitions, then move to the eye area with one finger resting above the eye, one and below. Smoothly glide outward along the orbital bones all the way to the temples, releasing any built-up tension. Support the side of your face by resting one hand gently along your nose. Using the middle ring fingers of your other hand, sweep outward from the under eye area all the way to the temple. Without lifting your fingers, glide straight down the side of your face, down your neck, rest at the collarbone. Keep this relaxing downward sweeping motion going a few repetitions on each side. Let's relax the muscles that cross frown lines. Take your index finger and thumb and gently pinch the area between your inner eyebrows. Wiggle your fingers gently from side to side to massage the muscle. Repeat this a few times to smooth and relax the center of your forehead, and do this on other side. Using the back of your thumb, press into the space directly between your eyebrows. Gently massage side to side with a firm, steady pressure. Repeat this a few times to smooth out frown lines and encourage a beautifully relaxed expression. Repeat few times on both sides. Using your index finger and thumb, lightly pinch the skin, add a very gentle shake to vibrate the muscle and let go. This is a wonderful way to release tension from squinting or looking at screens. Repeat this a few times on each side. Support the side of your face by resting your fingers lightly on your temple. Using the thumb and index finger of your free hand, gently pinch the skin right on the lower eye bone. Create a soft squeezing and rubbing motion to stimulate blood flow and then release. Keep this rhythmic squeeze and release going and then be sure to balance it out on the opposite side. Using the heels of your hands, press gently but firmly into the start of your inner eyebrows. Glide upward and backward, lifting the skin toward your hairline. Move your hands to the center of your brow. Repeat that deep lifting glide. Then shift to the arc of your brows. Sweep up and back. This is a powerful move to release forehead tension and lift the entire upper face. Bring your fingers to rest horizontally against the outer corners of your eyes, acting as a gentle anchor. With your skin supported, gently flutter your eyes close and then open them wide. Repeat this opening and closing motion a few times. This creates a wonderful resistance that naturally smooths and supports the outer eye area. Place the pads of your fingers against the upper right side of your forehead. Move your fingertips in a soft, gentle, circular motion. This is a wonderful way to boost blood flow. Release any tightness you might be holding on to. Keep this circular massage going for a few repetitions and balance it out on the opposite side.